As you can see, the machine takes its time to turn itself on. And here we go. Now we're going to take it right to the, as you can see, it's just booting up the red line under the Venus Viva. Okay, and there's our screen. I'm doing this on my own, so it's 8 A's, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to stand back so you can watch. And I'm going to hit the turn on button. There you go. And there it is. All right. So right now the radio frequency head is on, as you can see the display on the screen. And to get it to the DiamondPolar head, which is on the right side, all you have to do is hit that button. And there you go. You've got the DiamondPolar head screen. I hope this suffices. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the system off. Okay, and there you go. Okay, turn it off. All right, we're demonstrating the DiamondPolar head. So we're going to move from radio frequency to the DiamondPolar head. Here it is. And we're going to be using Glide. And this is a Venus Concept product. And this is for skin tightening. So we're going to set what percentage, and this is in terms of how much energy we want. This is how much time we're going to use. And then if we're doing both sides of the body, say right arm, left arm, we're going to set the timer for the bilateral function. We're going to hit the start button, and the way it would work is that whoever's doing the treatment keeps moving the wand in circular motions around the skin, and the wand is heating up, and it's that heat energy that delivers the shrinkage. Okay, there we go, and I'm turning it off. We're going to demonstrate the radio frequency head. We are going to move off the DiamondPolar, and excuse me, I have to show you what'll happen. So we're going to hit that button. It's going to show end of treatment, and now we're going to migrate over to the radio frequency head. We're going to set percentage of intensity, body part, and then we're going to hit that button, and we're going to determine voltage and time. Now, when I hit the ready button, you'll notice that the screen says ensure tip is properly connected. There is a tip cover to protect the tip. You can see that the tip gets connected right there. The challenge we have is that we don't have any available tips. So, but normally this is where you hit the pulse and you deliver the pulses to the patient by clicking. And that's it.